In other video, we have seen how to configure remote state files using S3. This video, I want to show you how to lock remote state file and how to avoid concurrency or concurrent modification issues. Usually when Terraform apply command is executed, it should lock the state file and it should not allow some other apply commands which is executed by other developers to avoid concurrency issues. By default, Terraform creates a log file, but that log file is usually kept in the local. When we have state files remotely, we need to have some other mechanism to lock that remote state file that we're going to see in this video with help of DynamoDB Table. This is the code we have, and I have shown in a video how to configure S3 as a backend to store Terraform state files. Now let's extend this example and see how to enable locking when we have state file in S3. Currently I am in Terraform documentation for S3 where we configure S3 as a backend. So here if you go and check how to enable the locking mechanism, there should be an option DynamoDB Table. Specify this argument and provide the DynamoDB table name which is used for maintaining locks, and make sure the table has a key lock ID. Let's do that. Let's open DynamoDB. Let's create a table for this demo. I'm calling this table as Terraform state. In configuration, DynamoDB table equals the table name, and make sure this table exists in the same region, which is Mumbai in this case. As per documentation, the primary key must be lock ID. It should be exactly the same. And let's go with all default settings and create the table. Okay, we configured DynamoDB table details. Let's run apply. When you run apply, it creates one entry in the DynamoDB table which creates a lock on the state file. Let's execute Terraform apply command. Okay, we newly configured DynamoDB for locking, so this requires Terraform init. Let's run that. Alright, it got initialized. Now let's run apply. And meanwhile, let's go and check DynamoDB table for an entry. See that it says acquiring state lock. This might take few moments. So if you see this entry there, so it has created an entry and it created a lock. Right now, if some other developer runs Terraform apply, it won't let him to execute this command until my lock is released, until my operation is completed. So once my apply operation is completed, this lock is released and others can run Terraform apply. So this is how we configure a locking for remote state files which are kept in S3 bucket.